Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to set this Raketa watch correctly. I will explain how to set time, date, month and how to set year cycle. This watch can be confusing at first, so let's go step by step. Very important, this is a vintage watch. Be gentle, do not force the crown, do not turn anything too fast. If it feels stuck, stop. Keep that in mind and let's begin. First, we're going to set a day. It doesn't have a quick set for the day of the week, so what we're going to do is to pull the crown one click and move it clockwise till we get the day that we want. And there we go, the day is set. So now let's set the date. Always move the hands to 6 and 30 minutes so you don't damage the movement. And now all you need to do to set the date is to pull out the crown to second position and push it in. And now repeat that till you get the date that you want. When you're finished with that, you can push the crown all the way in. Now that we set the date, we can set the right time. Time is set easily like on any other watch. Pull out the crown and just move the hands to the right time. Now, the interesting part. The watch does not detect years and months automatically, you have to set it. As you can see up here are the days of the month, and on the dial you can see the dates that correlate with that day. Down here you have years, and on the dial you have printed months. And as you move this crown, days change. Now all you have to do is find the year that you're in and put it to the right month. The problem is that this watch has prints on it till the year 2000, and what you need to do is to find the year that correlates with the year that you're in. What I found out is that every 28 years, year repeats its cycle. So now in 2026, the year that is the same is 1998. For 2027 would be 1999 and so on. Now that we know what is our year, all we have to do is to align our year 1998 with the right month. It's March now, so we just need to find it on the dial and align it with our year. And as you can see up here, all the days of the week are perfectly aligned with the dates. And when this month is over, you just need to find the next month on the dial and align it. In our case, it's April, so we move our year to April and so on for every month. And that's it. Always remember, do not change the date around midnight, turn the hand slowly, do not force the crown, be patient. This is an old vintage mechanical watch. So that is how you set Raketa Perpetual Calendar. At first it looks complicated, but once you understand it, it's actually pretty simple. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more watch content. See you in the next video.